print ain't used industrially, but only for craftsmanship and artistic hand printing. The block print machine Perotin, invented in the 19th century, isn't used anymore. In India and Indonesia, blocks are used both for printing and applying wax when making batik. The blocks are either relief carved in wood or made with copper inserts in the wood. There is a tradition of block printing in Romagna in Italy. As I've been there quite a lot during the years I lived in Italy, I've seen this kind of towels frequently. These are normally printed in one color. Here I show how they press the fabric before printing it with a 5-ton mangle. This is from Antica Stamperia Marchi that have its origin back in 1633. Emanuele in the Antica Stamperia Carapegna explains how the paste is made. The print paste is made with flour as the binding agent, rust as the main pigment, and vinegar as the preservative. He puts the paste on the swab and distributes the paste. How thick the paste layer is depends on the print he's going to make. The cliché he's using is from the 50s. Both these antique laboratories have been in the family since the start, passing from generation to generation. The relief pattern is carved into the block of pear tree, as pear is robust, solid, and most of all, it doesn't curve and change shape over time. The traditional designs in Romagna are the wheat, bunches of grapes, leaves, fruits, and animals, which is what made the living on the Italian countryside. The stone table is covered by absorbing and spongy paper to help the cliché transfer the paste onto the fabric and enter between the yarns in the weave. He hit the block with the mallet to help the paste penetrate the fabric. I don't understand how they match the patterns as well as they do together. They need to be very skilled, but one technique is to use pins on the blocks to match them together, but here they seem to make it totally by free hand. When the fabric is printed, they hang it to dry, then it passes a fixing bath before it's washed, dried, and then pressed again. And now the fabric is ready to be sold.